Introducing XTREMEDRY, a cost-effective DIY pro drying solution that's a must-have in your facility. As many property and hotel managers are aware, water damage is a matter of when, not if. However, standard tools like mops, wet-dry vacuums, and box fans won't give you that thorough, professional dry that is necessary to prevent mold growth and other material damages. Dealing with the hassle of professional contractors and insurance adjusters might make sense for situations involving dirty water or extensive flooding. But for normal, clean water damage, it can be faster, easier, and more affordable to do it yourself. XTREMEDRY is the solution, bringing you the professional tools you need in one simple package. Rapid response is crucial for water damage, so the XTREMEDRY toolkit includes a cart for organized storage and easy transport. As soon as all standing water is removed, XTREMEDRY can be set up immediately to begin the drying process. Here's how it works. Easily deploy XTREMEDRY from a maintenance closet. Proper placement of the XTREMEDRY tools will speed up the recovery process to restore your space back to its original condition. Instructions are on the cart and in the manual. Dehumidification. The commercial LGR Dehumidifier removes moisture from the air and creates a warm and dry environment, and should ideally be placed in the center of the room. Evaporation. Powerful commercial air movers speed up evaporation and dry surfaces quickly by circulating the air in a vortex pattern. Purification. Placed along the wall with the airflow going in the same direction as the air movers, the HEPA Air Scrubber keeps the air clean and healthy. Step 1. Use XTREMEDRY within 24 hours of the leak to ensure professional drying results. Step 2. Using the LGR Dehumidifier, bring the relative humidity level down to as low as 25% to draw out deep moisture. Step 3. Run XTREMEDRY for at least 24 uninterrupted hours to ensure the area is thoroughly dried and moisture is removed. Once the space is restored, it takes only a few minutes to load everything back onto the cart and put it into storage. The XTREMEDRY Pro Drying Solution is versatile, with applications beyond water damage. Quickly dry slippery floors, control excessive humidity, improve indoor air quality, or reduce the spread of viruses. Any property management team will easily find multiple uses for this set of tools, so XTREMEDRY will pay for itself many times over. Professional equipment, professional results. It's that simple. From XPOWER. Visit us at xpower.com to learn more about XTREMEDRY.